Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In the today's lecture, we are going to study about the sign convention for convex lens, lens formula and magnification. The sign convention, the procedure for taking the sign conventions is very similar to that for what we have studied for the mirror. Okay, so let us begin with the sign conventions. We already know that for a convex lens, f1 to f1, f2 and 2f2. If we place an object in this manner, we get the image this kind of image. Okay. So what we do is we divide the lens like this according to the Cartesian system. The optical center behaving as the origin. Okay. This is the positive x-axis, this is the negative x-axis, this is the positive y-axis and this is the negative y-axis. Okay. So the object is towards the negative x-axis from the origin. So the object distance u will be negative. The image is towards the positive side of the x-axis, the positive side of the origin. So the image distance v will be positive. Okay. The focal length, we consider the focal length at the other side of the image. The focal length which is towards the image side is considered. So the focal length will be positive because it is towards the positive side of the origin. Height of the object h, object जो है वो कहाँ है? Towards the positive y-axis. So height of object is positive. And height of image h dash is towards the negative axis. So height of image is negative. So these are the sign conventions for the convex lens. Let us summarize. U is negative, V is positive, F positive, height of object is positive and height of image is negative. These are the sign conventions for a convex lens. Okay. Now, the lens formula. The lens formula says, what is the lens formula? The lens formula is very much similar to the mirror formula. The lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. And the formula for the magnification, the definitions for magnification and everything we have already studied when we were studying the case for mirror. So magnification we denote by m is h dash upon h and the second formula for magnification is v upon u. So these are the lens formula and the formula for magnification. Now we are going to do a numerical so that all the terms are very clear. Question is, a 2 centimeter tall object means the height of object h is 2 centimeter. The sign for height is positive, so it will be plus 2 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. Means this is the object distance. U is equals to 15. The sign for U is minus, so minus 15 centimeter. From a convex lens of focal length 10, V is equal to plus 10. Find the position, size and nature of image. Position means, F. Position means V and size means h dash. So we need to find V and h dash. Now, applying the lens formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon minus 15. So minus and minus plus 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon 15. This 1 upon 15 goes there 1/10 minus 1/15 is equal to 1/v. Okay, now the LCM is 30. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1/v. 1/v is equal to 3 minus 2, 1/30. V is equal to plus 30 centimeter. So this is the position of image. Okay. Now next is size of image. So to calculate height of image, size of image, we will apply this formula. लेकिन इस formula में हमारे पास m भी नहीं है, h भी नहीं है. So हम क्या करेंगे, पहले m निकालेंगे. m is equal to v upon u. V is plus 30. U is minus 15. Since the magnification is negative, the nature of image will be real. Okay, so since the magnification is negative, the nature of image will be real. So the image will be real and inverted. Now m is equal to 30 upon minus 15, v upon u. So m is minus 2. Magnification is minus 2. Now applying this here, m is equal to h dash upon h. Minus 2 is equal to h dash we need to calculate, and height of object is 2. So h dash is equal to minus 4 centimeter. So this is the height of image. So we have calculated the position of image and height of image. If the position of image is plus 30 and the height of image is minus 4 centimeter. Okay. Now we will draw a ray diagram for this question. So how to draw a ray diagram? Let us make a convex lens. Okay. First of all, let us mark the focal length. The focal length is 10 centimeter. So the focal length is 10 centimeter. Object distance is 15 centimeter. Focal length is 10 centimeter both the sides. Here also 10. So 2f1 will be 20 centimeter. The object is placed at 15, means between 10 and 20. 10 और 20 के बीच में at 15. Now let us make a ray diagram. A parallel ray, incident. The object is placed between f1 and 2f1. So the image will be formed beyond 2f2. We know. The refracted ray goes through f2. Now let us take one incident ray. The other one from optical center. So this will go straight. This will go straight without any refraction. Both the rays meet over here. Here the image will be formed beyond 2f2. Image distance is 30. This is 10. Focal length is 10. 2f2 कितना हो जाएगा? Double of f 20. And the image will be formed 30. मतलब 20 के beyond. So the image is formed at 30. मतलब हमने जो calculate किया है, this is right. And this is proved through the ray diagram. So this is how we draw a ray diagram for a numerical. Now moving on to the sign conventions for concave lens. So this is a concave lens. In case of a concave lens, if we place an object here anywhere between infinity and optical center, we get an image over here. Now again, considering a Cartesian type of system, this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Okay, so the distance of object from the optical center u, object कहाँ है? Towards the negative x, so object distance will be negative. Image distance, image is also towards the negative x-axis, so image distance will also be negative. अब जहां पर इमेज है वो फोकल लेंथ हम कंसीडर करते हैं, सो फोकल लेंथ विल ऑल्सो बी नेगेटिव. ओके, हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट h, ऑब्जेक्ट कहां है? ऊपर की तरफ, टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस, सो हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव. एंड हाइट ऑफ इमेज h डैश, इमेज भी कहां है? ऊपर, टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस, सो हाइट ऑफ इमेज विल ऑल्सो बी positive. Okay, so let us summarize. Object distance will be negative, image distance will also be negative. सब कहां पर है? Negative x axis की तरफ. Image distance will also be negative, focal length will also be negative, height of object positive and height of image will be positive. क्योंकि object और image दोनों कहां है? ऊपर, ये ऊपर की तरफ है. Object और image दोनों कहां है? ऊपर, towards पॉजिटिव y, सो दोनों पॉजिटिव रहेंगे. The length formula and the formula for magnification will remain same. Now let us do a numerical to practice this. So this is a numerical. A concave lens has focal length 15 centimeter. So the focal length f is, the sign for focal length is minus 15 centimeter. At what distance? What distance means we need to find out. Should an object be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter? V is equals to 10 and the sign for V is minus 10. Also find the magnification. So applying the length formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon v minus, 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 upon u. Minus 1 upon 15 is equal to minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon u. Minus 1 upon 10 वहां जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? Plus 1 upon 10 is equal to minus 1 upon u. Taking the LCM, 30 minus 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 upon u. So minus 1 upon u is equal to 3 minus 2, 1 upon 30. So u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. This is the distance of object. Now to find the magnification, the formula for magnification is v upon u. h dash upon h apply नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि हमारे पास h dash भी नहीं है, h भी नहीं है. So we will apply the second formula. m is equal to v कितना है? minus 10 and u कितना है? minus 30. So m is 1 upon 3. Okay, m is equal to 0.3 centimeter. Magnification is positive, that means the image is virtual and erect. So this is all with the sign conventions for spherical lenses, the length formula, magnification and numericals.